Hey, what's up, everyone? Justin Tuminowski from Deal Sauce. Shout out to my top tier TCs. Thank you so much for being who you are and doing the work that you do. I think it's incredible. And if you don't have a TC, to my people out there, I don't know what you're doing. Love on your TCs. Treat them really well. And they are a godsend to our transactions and to make things run smoothly, efficiently, but also so we can focus on going to acquire and get more deals and raise more capital and do all those things. And I've heard through my personal TC, we need to get you guys up to speed. And I'm going to see if I can use my whiteboard at least right now on this to show you TCs what they could be doing with Deal Sauce. We're going to see some of the things that a TC may need inside of a transaction, but also why Deal Sauce is a great companion and what I think it's a great tool for, but also how a whole team can use one account. So for my TCs, let's think about it. If you have a Deal Sauce account, you are entitled and you get one admin. So the person who's a subscriber, they pay for the account, but also don't forget, we're also giving you 2 bonus seats, additional seats. So you get a second and third seat, and that's for team members, 2 other seats. So you get 3 total seats for the price of 1. Where like PropStream and other services are charging $25, $30 or more for per seat. That's $3, $6, $90 in value. And think about that, it's per month for the price of 1. You pay for 1 account, you get to squat up, use your teammates, you allow people to have their own login and password, although you're all sharing one portal. And I always look at it going like, anyone doing real estate, you need this type of a companion product alongside. Early on, I had other products and I didn't even know they existed. So when I first realized like product like this exists, I was blown away. I was like, how do I have access to all this? MLS in 50 states, rental comps, comping on its own, seeing non-disclosure sale prices. There's no one else doing that. And now we have legit comping on that. It's crazy. But let's talk about the recorded information. Book and page number, looking at MLS listings and drops, ownership, bedroom, bath count, different address issues, being able to zoom out on a map like a GIS and click around the area and seeing what the neighbors are, abutters, all those things. So other land potentially that's owned by the same owners, linked properties. It goes on and on and on. And it's just too much to describe in one video, but let's also talk about how to find a book of business for TCs. I think that's super important. So let's go do that right now. So I'm in my Deal Sauce account. Now the search you're going to do has to be done with a hot subscription, meaning could I go and search for commercial and residential real estate right now with a basic subscription of Deal Sauce? Yes. The one feature that I'm going to show you right now, which was probably going to change to a degree where it will evolve into a even greater filter, is going to be an owner search or a finding wholesalers. And that's going to be here in the top by the search browser. So I'm not even going to pick a city or state right now. I'm going to go up to a section that says hot leads. And inside of hot leads, the top panel here is where for hot subscriptions and hot subscribers, you get unlimited skip tracing. You get all the perks of all these different search filters. And there's going to be more that will come with it. But I'm going to go to owner search, and all I'm going to do is just go to my backyard or anywhere in the country, essentially, because, you guys can do business anywhere. A TC could be sitting in a cabin in the woods with Wi-Fi connection. You could be doing deals anywhere in the country. You can be doing deals in the mountains of Montana, in the woods, but closing deals in Florida. So let's do TC wholesale test. Very basic. And I'm going to go city. I'll do county. How's that? So we'll do a county name. Let's do Maricopa. We're going to just hit finding wholesalers right here. And I actually might throttle this back a little bit. You can see we have cash buyers, cash buyers, home buyers, house buyers, all these things. Investments, acquisitions. I just want to throttle the results right now for you guys. And a TC can accommodate not just some wholesaler. It can be anybody doing real estate transactions. We're going through 500,000 records right now. So we're going to give this a second. All right, so we did a comprehensive search. We searched over 500,000 records, and we found 188 matches to wholesalers. Residential home buyer of Phoenix, Scottsdale, they have 184 matches. Now, do you care about all the transactions? I mean, I would. You can actually get an in-depth look at what they're actually doing for a book of business. But do they have it under lockdown already? Maybe there's a subcontractor type of outsourcing work you can do to help But Encore Acquisitions, Andrew the home buyer, I see him all the time. He's doing deals. How all these acquisition companies, Cash for Casas, We Buy Homes, LLC, Cash West, America West. So guys, it goes on and on. Let's just go to, I like Andrew the home buyer. I just like that name. So we're going to see what Andrew Homebuyer is up to. We're going to see what is going on. He actually owns these deals. Now we could go to the fix and flippers as well, and we can go to the flipper intel and do the same exact search. We'll just do Maricopa County and see who's flipping properties. Hey, I want to find who's flipping 3 properties to maybe 30. And I want to find out who those people are in Maricopa County. And I can do that across the country. And what we'll do is we'll bring up people just like this. So it's not just this one owner search, this one wholesaler. Now, I want to show you these different models and different techniques, but this is where then you start to go reach out to Andrew the home buyer. Let's just go to this property. We can bring up the property card. It's clearly still owned by Andrew the home buyer. And then what you're actually going to see with the flippers, you're going to see houses that they actually transacted on, but then they obviously sold them to an end buyer. You're going to see the end buyer's name, but you're going to see them as a trailing, residual owner at one point, but you'll see the transactions that they completed, and we can just get a hold of those people. Andrew the home buyer, pretty basic. We could skip trace him. Now, home buyers, whether he shows up here as a LLC that we're going to be able to get his skip trace information, wholesalers want to be sought. So we might not have his info right like this, but also Andrew the home buyer wants to be found. So why don't we just Google it? All right. So Andrew the home buyer, I can see that it's a business. We have a member, Eric A. Shalad. He comes up. We also have another, let's take a look. The skip tracing is pretty comprehensive too. That's one other thing I want you guys to be aware of. There's Eric right there. It says it's a member of the LLC, so maybe they're an older group, but let's look at it. We have someone else, a manager, registered agent. We have Kyle Jordan, who's 39 years old. Maybe it's a son. So here's the thing. 5 liens, 4 judgments. This is what I want you guys to understand. It's not just Andrew the home buyer. Use this as an example. It is the substance and the research and the tools that we're giving you to be powerful. I didn't even crack the egg on skip tracing and business research. So let's do that. I just showed you again, I'm going to X out of this. I just showed you that we have a list of all the wholesalers. So we have this whole list in Maricopa County. You can do this anywhere in the country, and you can search by the wholesaler names. We could do the same thing with finding fix and flippers. I have a test right here. Let's open this one. So we did 82 qualifying flippers. So I'll get rid of the government. I'll get rid of the trusts. Let's go look at the businesses. Open Door, we don't need them. But we have TM Homes of Arizona, Weekly Homes, Dream Suite Homes. We go to Dream Suite Homes. You're going to see that they have a buyer, brand new buyers, but they with a flipper. We're telling you what the profits were on some of these. We're telling you how long their average hold is for this. So this one was an 8-month. That was a 10-month. This is a 6-month. They made $250,000 on this deal right here. Let's go look that deal up. Of course, you're going to see Bryce as the new owner, but because this house was sold. But you're going to be able to see the transaction. You'll be able to see how they bought it. You'll see some of the lending practices, who the lenders are. It's pretty awesome. Listing agent, you'll see Bryce bought it, and who owned it was Dream Suite LLC. So great stuff. I mean, they'll give you the book and page number. So this is what I want you guys to use. This is what I'd call Dream Suite and say, hey, I'm a TC. What can I help with? Lending, transaction coordinating. Do you have people doing your documents properly, your assignments? Are you finding deals? We have buyers. So finding buyers in a market, finding capital in a market, finding wholesalers, finding flippers. Doesn't get much better than that. But let's just do a basic search. Now, let's say that you're striking out. You can't Google an address, you can't find an address, or you're having some issues. This is a tool where, not to mention, we have everyone's ownership information. We can skip trace, bedroom, bath counts. Let's take a look. Let's look at the lot lines. How about public records? When we're doing our paperwork, when we're looking at different things. Oh, I see, a mortgage on here. How many mortgages are on here? Maybe I see liens and solar liens and things of that nature. We can do an overview. So again, recorded documents from the county, but also MLS records, tax assessments. We have financial, see what the finances look like. Lawrence Teachers Credit Union, rental comps. Again, skip trace information, mailing addresses, all the things. So this to me is super important. Let me just show you like a little technique that I actually use. So I actually am looking at to buy the neighboring property for this instance. Now the neighboring property was not coming up as it's actually 14 William Drive because it's a unique property. No one would ever know that. The USPS post office actually calls it 14A and B. Watch this. Look at this. But when you go on Zillow or somewhere else or PropStream or something, it does not populate as 14A and B because we have the correct information. I learned after going to this property that it's not an in-law suite. It's not a single family with an in-law. Legit duplex. Look at this. I have the recorder's office right here. 2 units, duplex. Everyone else is calling it an ADU when they were on market. So DealSauce actually gave me the real address, gave my TC the real address. And on the paperwork, it doesn't say 14 William Drive. It says 14A and B because that's what the post office calls it. But if I was to do this, check this out. And I know this is small to you guys, or it seems very small, but the real address does not populate. These are the things, these are the quirks that help us identify these properties. And let's say you couldn't find that property and you use the technique that I just used. It's being able to go search around from other properties. So let's go say, hey, who's the neighbor back here? I need to get a hold of them because, I don't know, I heard there was a complaint of a fence being on the property, or we have to get a hold of that person for I don't know, some sort of documentation. And you don't have to go to a county assessors. You really just need this tool to start understanding who owns what property, their mailing address, their names, all those things. All right. I want to get into the last piece of information, the skip trace. So this is I call it the personal 401 cert. I think it's pretty awesome. Soon we're going to have criminal background checks. So meaning for my gators, my TCs, people that are actually looking to vet borrowers or vet partners. How about looking at vetting tenants? Are you doing leases for other people? Are you putting contracts in place and lease options or leases? I want workplace history. I want criminal history. Those are coming into DealSauce. I'm currently testing them, but let's just do an example. Let's say that we have Stanley Mechanical LLC. Just put the state. You don't even need to really have the address. And then my backyard is New Hampshire, so I'll just do New Hampshire. Stanley Mechanical, member, manager, Jeremy Stanley. There's no skip tracing that's giving you this. I have landlines, last seen on May of 2026. Landline, emails, phone, mailing addresses, relatives. Pretty awesome. So let's do this a little bit step further. So we'll do one more. Let's do Jamil Damji. Jamil Damji, 47 years old, date of birth 12 December of 78, 5 phone numbers, addresses, relatives, Keegley, employer. Guys, do you need anything else? Do you need to go get a hold of other people? Do you need to go find other sellers? I can't get a hold of this seller, this pre-foreclosure person, they're evading. Did they change their phone number? Is it coming up, no longer in service? I can't get a hold of the lender. I can't go find other relatives because I need to go find this person because there's a deed that needs to be signed or a release that needs to be signed. And you're going to go pay for other services and you're going to go pay investigators to go find those people. You don't need to do that. You have the tool right here. It's unlimited. I have the hot package. It's included. My TTs. Is this a valuable tool or not? Because I think it's the bomb. And sure, are you in here finding prospects and deals? Not always, but how about when you get leads or when you get word of mouth because you're doing a transaction or you're doing a file, and then the seller's like, oh, I own a piece of land too. Oh, no kidding. Where? And now you get to go on, look at the land, get that deal yourself. Go put it under contract. Go give it to someone else. Hold the property card. We haven't even talked about comps. You could take from here, generate comparables from my folks that are underwriting too. Go get a comparable and get a CMA report. Let's run a comp. Let's get rid of the active. Let's get rid of pending. We have some sold. Let's take a look. I'm just doing this on the fly, but let's say I like this one. I like this one. I don't like this one. And maybe I like this one and maybe this one. Let's generate a report. Could I choose the first 3, the first 10, the first 5? Sure. But we can do a CMA and it's going to give us a full comparable report. Let me see if I can bring that up for you guys. Dang. All right. Check this out. I did that in a click of like 5 buttons, 3 minutes, and we have a full comp analysis, subject property, comparables, photos. I mean, can you give this to a lender? Can you give this to a borrower? Can you give this to the seller? I mean, so I think this is super great. It's just so robust. You have calculators in here, your market trends. Going to give you the rental rates for this area. We're going to show you median days on market, homes sold. I mean, let's even talk about, it goes even deeper. Livability scores, transit. We don't have any public buses and stuff in this area. Safety, FBI statistics, drug offenses, weapon offenses, but safety scores. I mean, pretty awesome stuff. I didn't even crack into Dean AI, full AI reporting, comping, underwriting, analysis, chat with it, talk about, seller conversations, talk about objections, talk about things you want to do. You can choose between, you choose your different AI. So Deal Sauce is just killing it. We're robust. But also at the same time, I need you guys to understand that this is the tool. This is something you're going to need. And I think not knowing is probably half the battle. All right, guys. So I think this video sums it up. Pretty sure that you end up seeing probably 60% of what Deal Sauce actually has to offer. I think you can see that Deal Sauce can conquer a lot of what's going on. It's all around your real estate transaction. It's all around the real estate world, from acquisition, property outlooks, to comping, to bird's eye view, analyzing lot lines, book and page numbers, skip tracing, people searching, business searching, investigating, soon to have criminal background checks, workplace history back checks. Those are for my tenants. Those are for my lenders. Those are for my gators. Those are for my partnerships. Those are for vetting, due diligence. So for TCs, it's all for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want Deal Sauce, get a trial, saucemydeals.com. That's where you go get your free trial, saucemydeals.com. We have a calendar. I need you guys to pay attention to that before I let you go. Understand that there's going to be weekly training, monthly training, and actually I want Deal Sauce TCs in here. You guys should be able to advertise yourselves in here. We're going to have buy boxes. We're going to have lending boxes. We should have TC boxes. Put your services out here. Let people know that you're in here. Let people know that you're doing transactions and that you can acquire more business. We found wholesalers. We found fix and flippers. We found lenders. We found buyers. Every part is covered. All right, guys, appreciate you. My name's Justin Tuminowski. If you want more videos, please go over my YouTube channel. Just search my name, Justin Tuminowski, or Deal Sauce, and I will see you on the next one.